guys, we are still here. Trust me, right now I just got up. My breath is still stink. My face is not fresh, but the air is fresh around me, and I'm so freaking happy. And as you know, we're doing it for you guys to show you exactly where we are, what we're doing, and everything. It's now 8 o'clock. Well, a few minutes after 8. Saturday morning, February, the first weekend, the first Saturday in February, whatever day that is. It's on the screen somewhere. Pop up. But anyway, I'm just outside, just here chilling. We're supposed to go get breakfast. The same corn pork that we wanted from yesterday. If you guys never had corn pork, yo, try corn pork, even if you're 70. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day, man. So let's get ready to start our day. So we saw like this nesberry tree, or some people would call it nesberry, but it's a fruit out here in Jamaica. I'm gonna see if there's any that's ready on it. I think it's cool, like the property is like really huge. It's a big property. All of them look like super small. Yeah, but these are what they call nesberries. It's like a little fruit. It's a very strange fruit, to be quite frank with you. You like them? Really?
I haven't had one in a while, but I like them.
Personally, for me, I like them. They're okay, but just to describe them a little bit, it's almost like it's something that's kind of sweet, but like the fruit itself has these little grains. Yeah. Like I can't explain it. It has like these little grains inside where it's kind of like, it's kind of strange. It's almost like you have a little bit of sand in there. I don't know, but it's still good though. It's mostly like sweet. I can't really describe the texture, anything else. It's almost like it's mushy. It's kind of mushy with a little bit of grain, like small amounts of sand. Put it that way. Yes, if you like sand, go ahead. So mommy's doing some tea thing here. What's that one?
This is my morning concoction. It's a tablespoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to have a teaspoon of turmeric. Why am I doing this? It works wonders for my inflammation. Really, literally. About after 3 or so takings, I can actually feel improvement in my knees.
Oh.
And I put it in a warm milk, a glass of warm milk. If I had turmeric, if I had cayenne pepper, I would also add a dash of cayenne pepper onto it.
Like how instant is this? Like
literally after 3 takings. I could be presumptuous and say 2 takings, as in terms
in the day or what?
Just in the mornings. Hold 1 second, I'm going to add my milk to it. Hold on. So you basically mix out the turmeric and the cinnamon. I warm the milk because it makes it the process quicker, eh?
So what's the flavor like?
I'm gonna have you taste it. Just
Me?
be a sport and just taste it. There's nothing to it really. You don't even taste the turmeric. It's mainly the cinnamon that you actually taste.
So you hear that, guys?
It don't work well with warm water. That spoon there.
I have to be a.
So use a spoon.
So you hear that, guys? I have to be a sport and try this turmeric with cinnamon kind of thing. But I'm done for it. I'll try it and I'll pass the information on to you. Well, to be quite frank with you, it smells good, but it looks like curry gravy. But I'm gonna try. I'm about to try it right now. I'm going to be trying a whole spoonful. Goodbye, world. It actually doesn't have any taste at all because milk is in there. milk is in there as well, so it's bland. You don't taste anything overpowering, nothing at all, nothing at all. So it's something that, if it works, I think I'd recommend trying to drink it. And we actually have bees. Like we actually have bees. But I have bees, and mom has bees too. I used to do beekeeping like a lot, but because I've gotten so busy, I stopped. But beekeeping, like bees are good for like the swelling in your knees.
You actually could add honey to it.
To give it more flavor, yeah.
Yeah, you could actually add it.
But some persons use the bees to like put on the knee, like, yeah. They use the bees to sting your knees or sting your joints, and like that really works. But yeah, apparently she prefers to drink milk and turmeric and cinnamon, and it works too. So if you have swollen knees, try it. Here's one person who would not drink it. This one, She don't even eat ackee, guys. How can you be Jamaican and you don't eat ackee? Tell the world, tell us how you're a Jamaican and you don't eat ackee.
I used to eat ackee a whole lot. Like grandma said that I would eat just the lone ackee for breakfast when I was young.
What is a lone ackee? What
As
that
in
mean?
just ackee by itself.
Ackee by itself? So where can you find a lone ackee?
See what I mean? Yeah, and then when I was older, I had ackee by my aunt and it hurt my belly. And I was like, okay, I never eat it. And then I tried eating it again, hurt my belly, and the same thing keep on happening. So I just stay away from ackee, and I just grew not to even like the taste anymore. I guess I just eat it too much when I was
I think you eat it first, right, ackee?
in the business. Don't want to.
So you hear my alarm going off. So it's now 8:31. This is my LT. It was my Shih Tzu that passed away. Yeah, so that's a picture of my pup that passed away. And it might sound stupid, but I'll tell anyone, like, you know, it's almost like a human being. Like the dog is always around you constantly, because it was always in my room with me, like every day, every second of the day. And it just shows you that, yo, money can't buy nothing. Because like I remember taking a dog to the vet because she got sick. Took her to the vet and whatever, and you know, pretty much put her on hospice or whatever you want to call it. We leave the dog by the vet. And in your head you're like, yeah, you paid for it, so everything should be okay. And quite frankly, it just was not going to be okay. And you know, probably like 2 days after she passed away. And I'm not gonna lie, big man thing my ball. Because I really like animals. You see me? Because it's like when a person can wake up every day and be like upset and miserable or whatever, a dog never wakes up in that mood or fashion. It's just like always happy. No matter what, a dog is generally always happy. And she passed, and it was like, yo, at any moment you can go, or your friends can go, or your family can go. And when I think about it, I'm like, yo, why not try to just live a little every day? Not saying that like every weekend you're gonna go on a trip or go on a vacation or do something like that, but it's just the small stuff that you do for yourself, isn't it? If tomorrow you feel like you want a Snickers chocolate, yo, go out there and buy the Snickers chocolate, bruh. I'm not telling you to eat Snickers chocolate every day, but do something that makes yourself a little bit more happy, a little bit more pleased with yourself. Not the persons want to travel and then they go, oh my gosh, I have to get rich. Bruh, you don't have to be rich to travel. You do not. Of course, you're gonna need some form of ways to cover your expenses, but you don't have to be like rich to go to the Maldives or whatever. Go Ochi. If you live close to Ochi, go Ochi, bruh. Okay, so I found a little frog. Just treat a little more going like I'm afraid, you know. So heading out in some pajama bottoms, me that, and of course same old shirt, cause I don't bring enough shirts. So again, I'm in my same shirt from yesterday. But we're not going on the road today. I mean, I have other shirts, so let's go wear this because we're just going back down to the the restaurant that we had lunch yesterday. But just so funny, like I was just so intent on packing all the things I'm going to need for you guys for vlogging, and I don't pack enough shirts. And like I was making a joke to myself in my mind. I was like, well, if I don't pack enough shirts, then I'll just buy something in Ochi, buy a shirt in Ochi, and that might just be what I have to do, you know. But it might work out for the best, because maybe it can be a nice souvenir, get it for a nice price, you know, if it's not made in China. That's another bad thing, like some of the shirts here are made from China. But yeah, of course. I want to know about automatic gate. This is hand-o-matic gate. I mean, manual labor always good. So look what my sister wrote. Imani was here. Bye bye, Imani. Look at those chickens. So that's one of the ways you know that you're in country. You know, where you see chickens alive, still alive and walking around. And we're now at a restaurant from yesterday. Yo! Corn pork, did I? Yeah. Aki and corn pork. Yeah. Milo tea. Milo tea bag. Yeah. Yeah, Milo tea, you know? Would I get served?
Coffee or coffee. Tea or tea. Mixed together.
The whole trip ended up on confrontation. The whole trip. But my sister got corn pork by itself with yam.
No, it's sweet potato.
Sorry, sweet potato, boiled bananas and stuff.
Thank you very much, sir.
And my mom
No, I thought I wanted the potato.
Alright, okay.
No man, I don't want so much dumpling, I'm going to waste it. Okay. Just take out one of them.
But yeah, look at that, man. It's just beautiful. Well done.
That's so sick.
Thank you very much. Like my dumpling, but I'm watching my diet, you know? Wow, this is nice.
Because we say what now? Said corn pork and aki tea.
Yeah, corn pork and aki. Like what? Dumpling, yeah, everything. No, you guys can't start without me.
Oh my god.
I'm waiting patiently. It's hard, but okay.
So right here, I'm gonna big up a few persons. Big up yourself, Nick Della. Thank you for always watching the vlog. Thank you for always supporting it. You see me, I appreciate that always. Some very good, kind and positive words. Big up yourself as well, Foxy. You don't know, people who are foreign and you know who are watching the vlog as well. Big up on yourself. And yeah, I'll try to remember some of the names of the persons who comment. Also, yeah, Gaza girl, big up yourself as well. Don't know. And of course, my food is here, corn pork and aki. It's really good, look at steam. And I got Milo.
Take off the tea.
Food drink of champions. And we got some water being poured. You know, it's very local, very relaxing. You're seeing everything, the roadside, cars passing by. It's nothing like Milan, you know, where you have the street side food, but it's really good, really Jamaican. So we're about to pray.
For what we are about to receive, may the Lord make us truly thankful and keep us ever mindful of the needs of others. Amen.
Amen. That is a hungry prayer, you know. Hungry prayers are always very quick.
No, you know, so that's what we used to say at Hampton.
Okay. Manny, what do you think about it?
Alright.
It's really good? Mommy's going to want to change something about it, but let's
The best selection of food since I've been in Ochi.
Okay, wow.
True.
Interesting. Interesting. I'll give you guys my take. My great grandmother used to make this for me. She passed away, but she used to make this for me as a child growing up. And I used to love it, so let's see how good this is. I feel like I am one with the pig. Like, with a good old Jamaican ackee. Very rootsy. Nothing like you like it in a one hotel. Very authentic. I can feel the love in the food, you know? Like it's a one-man pot that I like about this. Yeah, it's good. Crime scene. Crime scene. Mash up. Food mash up. So that was a good sign that the food was good. The chef was good. So, as you guys might realize, it's raining a little bit. Well, not heavily, but there's a slight drizzle. A slight drizzle, I should say. What we're gonna do right now is just pay our bill and then head back home and then try to get ready. Try to get ready for the day. It's supposed to be another adventure, so we'll see what's going to happen. Hopefully the rain doesn't, you know, spoil the fun and everything, but yeah. So we're back home, guys, and I'm checking out the weather forecast. Shows that it's now like 10:30 something, and at 11 is going to get bad, but at 12 onwards it should be a bit better. So we're looking forward to that. Give thanks, you know. It's kind of what the weather looks like from our view. Ah, boy. Can't quite complain though. Sure, someone out there is definitely waiting for the rain. Someone out there is waiting for the rain, but not us. Not right now.